Greetings and welcome to Mentor Mike's Market Movie for Friday, June 20th, 2014. This is Mentor Mike, and for those of you who don't know me, here is a little bio on myself. I'm not going to go through everything. If you're really curious, you can pause the video and read what it says there. I also have a presence on LinkedIn. That's my one concession to social media. If you're a LinkedIn member and we're not already connected, please invite me to be part of your network. I will be happy to accept your invitation, and I post a lot of information about my trading on my profile. So if you're interested in following what I do, that's one way to do it. Also, I have an ongoing blog on the Pacific Trading Academy website, and here's a sample of it. You go to the blog link and then click on Mentor Mike's Market Movie, and we've got several years worth of archives here. And in addition to periodic market movies, I also record my webinars. Here's an example of one from April 19th called Elliott Wave, Just the Essentials. I'm going to be doing a second Elliott Wave webinar coming up in July. It'll be sponsored by NinjaTrader. So if you're interested in that one, you might want to shoot me an email and let me know that you would like to be reminded of that. My email address will be coming up a little bit later on. Okay, now, why do I put this old riddle here? How do you need an elephant? Well, the answer is one bite at a time. And this is a good summation of kind of how I go about teaching trading. Any large task, like learning to trade, can seem overwhelmingly difficult at the outset. The key is to break it down into manageable chunks and then just get started. So I've used this proven technique when teaching my students how to predict price movement with technical analysis and how to minimize risk and maximize profits through effective money management. Now, the next webinar that I have coming up is this one, Day Trading 101, How to Make a Living in the Markets, Part 2. It's going to be on Saturday, June 28th. That's a week from tomorrow. It's at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and you can use this link to register for a seat in the webinar room. And I advise you to do it if you're interested, because last time we had way more people registered than there was room in the room. Now, you'll notice that this is Part 2. So if you did not already see Part 1, you can see the video of it on my website. The setting here is for June 9th, and here is the link to watch the Part 1 video. Once again, you go to blog, Mentor Mike's Market Movie, find your way to June 9th, and this link will connect you directly to YouTube where you can see the video. And to give you a little preview here, Day Trading 101 is a two-part series of webinars that I've created, and they're designed to help my fellow traders answer these questions. What markets to watch and trade, what time frames to watch and trade, how to consistently predict market movement, how to maximize your win percentage, how to substitute mathematics for emotions, and how to systematically grow your account from beginner to Mentor Mike's gadget level. Now, in the Part 1 video that I just showed you, we discuss what markets to watch and trade, what time frames to watch and trade, and how to predict price movement. I'm pretty proud of that presentation, so I encourage you to take a look at it. I think you'll learn some valuable stuff. And in the next one, coming up next Saturday, we're going to be talking about how to maximize your win percentage, how to substitute mathematics for emotions, and how to systematically grow your account from beginner to Mentor Mike's gadget level. And for those of you who don't already know, gadget is an acronym for Grand A Day Group of E-mini Traders. Now, I'm looking for a few good traders to join Mentor Mike's Gadget, the Grand A Day Group of E-mini Traders. And while I can make no guarantees, my personal goals are these: to help every student become a competent and confident trader with a win percentage of 90% or better, To help most students earn enough to pay for the course within 3 months, to help some students earn $1,000 per day or more within a year, and to help a few students earn $1 million within 5 years. I'm completely serious about this, so if you are interested, there is the link to enroll in this course. Now, this sounds pretty far-fetched to a lot of people, but I'm here to tell you it isn't really that far-fetched. The real critical question is $1,000 a day a realistic goal? So let me show you how I fared in my personal trading this past week. Here we have Monday the 16th, and I made 2 trades in the S&P E-mini and netted $1,000.50. On Tuesday, 3 trades, $1,025.50. Wednesday, a little bit better. It was kind of a volatile day thanks to the FOMC meeting. $1,721.50. Then we dropped down a little bit, $576 on the 19th, yesterday. And today I had time just for 1 trade, $433.50. And the reason I quit when I did was as I was about to come back with my filled up cup of coffee after taking this trade, my internet service went out. I've had a chronic problem with AT&T, and so they have been fired, and I'm going to get my phone, cable, and internet services from Charter Communications starting on Tuesday. But in any event, this was the best that I could do for today, and this is what the totals look like for this past week that just ended. My average for each day was a little under the grand a day goal, $951.40. So, you know, sometimes that happens. But I think you can see from the scores overall that $1,000 per day is indeed a doable thing. Now, an obvious question is, well, that's fine for you, Mike. You've been at this for 30 years, but what about your students? Well, in past market movies, you've heard me talk about Greg from Florida. He's done quite well and made $1,000 or more on a number of different days. I have a new student. His name is Kevin K. He's from Pennsylvania. This, by the way, is the text of my update email that I sent out today. Now, every day at the end of trading, I send out an email to not only my current students, but anyone else who would like to be on my mailing list. And I attach screen captures of my trades that took place in the trading room on the demo platform, my Elliott wave count charts, and any charts that are sent to me by students. And this is what I wanted to call your attention to, this boldface paragraph at the end, where I say, I also want to congratulate my new student and fellow trader Kevin K. of Pennsylvania. He took his very first trade on NinjaTrader today and netted over 400 demo dollars. Now, he's still trading on the demo platform, and that's okay. You got to walk before you run. But way to go, Kevin. We'll get you into gadget territory soon enough. So everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Now, here's something else I want to bring to your attention. You know, I'm a big fan of that old how do you eat an elephant riddle, doing it one bite at a time. But this is another little cosmic truth of trading and cosmic truth in general, and it's called the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, also the law of the vital few. It means that in most events, roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. This rule can be applied generally in most aspects of life, including trading. About 80% of traders consistently lose and 20% consistently win. My goal is to teach my students to be in that 20%. But you have to have a certain aptitude and talent to begin with. Not everyone has what it takes. But if you believe that you do, you should enroll with me now. Now, if you've got questions or comments for Old Mentor Mike, or if you'd like to get on my daily update email list, you can reach me at mentormike@sbcglobal.net. Please include your phone number and your time zone. And better yet, why don't you just become my student and enroll directly online? That way you can watch my video lessons, you can talk to me personally, and you can join us every Tuesday and Thursday in our live real-time trading room. So once again, this is how you get there. This is the PacificTradingAcademy.com website. Go to enrollment and Mentor Mike's mentoring course and trading room. This will tell you all about it. When you're ready to check out the pricing, hit this button right here and sign up and become a member. That's all I have to tell you for right now. I hope I'll see a bunch of you in the webinar room next Saturday. Have a great weekend and take care.